DJI is all set to release its tiny versatile camera, the Osmo Pocket 4, and this time with a new redesign and so many upgrades, including variable aperture, a more powerful sensor, and at least 20% more shooting time. The leaks are now more consistent and have almost revealed most of the key specs that you will find on the upcoming Pocket 4. Igor Bogdanov has recently shared a hands-on video of the camera, and it gives you a clear idea of what the camera is going to look like. Besides, the recent FCC listing shared by the new camera confirms that the camera is approved for launch in the US. Also, it's an indicator that the camera is coming this month. So let's find out more details about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 official release date and discuss if you should really wait for it. First, let's talk about the dual cameras, which created the hype in the first place. The latest details come from Photowraps, who claimed that the Pocket 4 will pack two different image sensors, confirming the dual system. Though we have seen Igor posting pictures of the camera previously, he couldn't share many details. However, the newly shared video confirms everything. Now, we know that Pocket 4 will feature a 1-inch 50-megapixel main sensor with support for variable aperture. So now you will have more control over your cinematography, adding flexible depth to your shots. You have to appreciate DJI for that. I mean, a pocket-sized camera with gimbal stabilization, and now with variable aperture. What more can one ask from such a tiny camera? Moreover, the main sensor is expected to shoot up to 6K videos at 30 frames per second and 4K videos at 120 frames per second. The larger sensor, being the cherry on top, will deliver better low-light footage and high-quality nighttime shots with less noise. Backing it up is a 1x1.3-inch secondary sensor that reportedly has a more square aspect ratio. That could give creators a cleaner workflow when shooting vertical clips for Instagram Reels or TikTok. So DJI is targeting both cinematic shots as well as ready-to-post social media content. You can carry this single camera to shoot travel vlogs, capture day-to-day memories, and also jump into expert shooting mode when required. DJI has also made a smart decision, sticking with the single display for previewing. Though there have been many rumors and pictures about dual displays, the latest rumor suggests that we might get the regular front display only. And in most cases, the single screen is enough since you can rotate the camera as per your need. Now, talking about the battery, we have previously mentioned that the Osmo Pocket 4 is likely to get a substantial upgrade in terms of battery life. On top of that, the FCC listing shared by the new camera confirms that the gimbal camera will feature a 1,545 mAh battery capacity, which is a decent bump from the previous model's 1,300 mAh. So it looks like DJI is shifting gears and has built the best vlogging camera. Finally comes the question, how long do we have to wait before we get to buy the Osmo Pocket 4? Well, rumors suggest the launch date could be the 18th of December in China, and could be launched after the 23rd in the US. So that's clearly a very strategic move since the DJI ban will be lifted on the 23rd. So, are you looking to buy the Osmo Pocket 4? Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.